हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है टू डिराइव द इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन फ्रॉम कैलकुलस मेथड। वी विल डिराइव इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन फ्रॉम calculus method. There are four equations of motion starting from v equals to u plus at. This is first equation. Second one is s equals to ut plus half at square. Third one is v square equals to u square plus 2as. And fourth one, s nth equals to u plus half a 2n minus 1. We will derive all the four equations of motion starting from v equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square, v square equals to u square plus 2as, and s nth equals to u plus half a 2n minus 1. So we will derive the first one. V equals to u plus at. V equals to u plus at. Since acceleration is dv over dt, that is rate of change of velocity with time, dv equals to a into dt. Now we have to integrate it. Integrating using suitable limits. Integration of dv is integration of a into dt, that is limits of time from 0 to t. When time was 0, that is when the motion was starting, the velocity, that is initial velocity, was u, and when time becomes t, body acquires velocity v, that is the final velocity. Integration of dv is v, that is from v to u to v. A is constant, and integration of dt is t from 0 to t, and that is what upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be v minus u equals to a t minus 0. So this is equals to v equals to u plus at. So this one is first equation of motion, that is v equals to u plus at. Now we will derive the second equation of motion. That is s equals to ut plus half at square. Now with the help of equation 1, we will derive equation 2. Since velocity is a rate of change of displacement, that is ds over dt. So ds is equals to v dot dt. आपको पता है v equals to u plus at. So this will be ds is equals to u plus at dot dt. Now you have to integrate it. Integrating using suitable limits. देखिए क्या इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, u plus at, this one is dt, limits of time 0 to t, limits of displacement 0 to s. Now we will distribute this integration over u and then over at. We'll got ds integration u, that is constant, dt 0 to t plus a, that is constant, t dt 0 to t. Now integration of ds is s 0 to s, u integration of dt is t 0 to t, plus a integration of t is t square by 2 0 to t. This will be s minus 0, u it will be t minus 0 plus a t square by 2 minus 0. This will be s equals to ut plus half at square. बच्चों आपको बताना चाहता हूँ यहाँ जो फॉर्मूला आपने यूज किया है that is integration x raised to power n dx and that is x n plus 1 over n plus 1. आपको ध्यान रहे n cannot be equals to minus 1. यहाँ पे n minus 1 नहीं हो सकता. It can accept any value except minus 1. Now we'll derive the third equation of motion, that is okay. That fourth equation s nth equals to un plus half a n square, that will be same v equals to ds over dt and that ds is equals to v dot dt. In the same, by using same steps we can derive this equation, but here s nth is the distance covered by the body in that particular interval of time, that is in that nth second. So here you have to do this derivation in the same manner, but you have to change the limits here. These limits ds, that will be from Sn minus 1 to Sn, and this will be from n minus 1 up to n. Limits you have to change from Sn minus 1 to Sn, from n minus 1 to n, from n minus 1 to n, from Sn minus 1 to Sn, from n minus 1 to n, from n minus 1 to n. This will be Sn minus 1, upper limit minus lower limit. This will be n minus n plus 1 a. This will be a by 2 n square minus n minus 1 the whole square. Sn minus 1 is s nth. S nth is u a by 2, this will be a square, so S nth comes to be u plus half a 2n minus 1. This is the fourth equation of motion. Now we will derive the third equation of motion, that is v square equals to u square plus 2s. V square equals to u square plus 2s. In order to derive this equation, we have to eliminate time. We have two relations, v equals to ds over dt, and second one, s is equals to dv over dt. We have these, that is, acceleration is equals to dv over dt. We have to eliminate time. From here, we want acceleration, we will use this equation, and we have to eliminate time with the help of this expression, that is, we will take a equals to dv over dt, now multiplying and dividing by ds over ds and shifting it. We will got dv over ds, ds over dt. And ds over dt is what? This one is velocity. So this will be a v dv over ds. That is a ds is v dv. Now again integrating it. Integration of a ds, integration of v dv, that is from u to v, that is from 0 to s. A will be constant. Integration ds and v into dv, u to v. Integration of ds is s, and that v is v square by 2. This will be a s minus 0. This will be v square by 2 minus u square by 2. So this will be as is v square minus u square by 2. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. And say v square equals to u square plus 2as. So these are the 4 equations for motion that we have studied. Based upon that, we will try certain numericals in the next lesson. So we will, in the next lesson, we are just going to try certain numericals based upon these equations of motion. You know these equations of motion with the help of algebraic method and with the help of graphical method. आप लोगों ने class 9th में पढ़ा होगा about these equations of motion. This 4th equation is new for you, and rest these 3 equations you have studied in class 9th, and you have proved these equations with the help of algebraic method as well as from the graphical method. So now this is the method of calculus, that is with the help of integration and differentiation you have to derive these equations.